All right, so we see that there are 3x minus 2 trees planted in each row of a rectangular parcel of land. If there are a total of 24x minus 16 trees planted in the parcel, how many rows of trees are there in the parcel? So let's look at what we know. We know that all of these trees are in a rectangular plot of land. So let's draw a little rectangle here. And we know that this rectangular parcel of land is split up into rows. And we know that in one row, there are some number that's defined by 3x minus 2 trees. So here's a row, and I know that the number of trees in this row can be found by the expression 3x minus 2. Okay, so this is trees. Now we're saying that there are a total of 24x minus 16 trees planted in the parcel. So that means when we put all these rows together, we should get a total of 24x minus 16. So there's a couple ways we can do this. The fast way, of course, is to see if we start off with 3x minus 2 per row. Let's just do some division. If there has to be a total of 24x minus 16, and it's being basically divided up into groups of 3x minus 2, then we would just divide our total by 3x minus 2, which sounds crazy to do division with some x's and stuff, but really all we're doing is, 24 divided by what number gives us 3, and 16 divided by what number gives us 2. Well, it should be 8, so let's see if that works. So we should have 3x minus 2. Let's see if we have 8 rows, if that gets us what we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we add up all those x's together, we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So that does give us 24 x's. And then if we put all these together, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10, negative 12, negative 14, negative 16, that gives us negative 16. So there are 8 rows of trees in this rectangular parcel of land.